What's up guys, Wazzup1207 here, bringing you an unboxing and review of the Nerf Super Soaker DartFire. The DartFire is a Super Soaker which shoots both water and darts. So I'll show you the function, show you some firing, and then get on to the review. First of all, to work the dart blaster, all you do is load darts in the hammer shot style cylinder. So your darts load in like so. This is basically a hammer shot stuck inside a Super Soaker. And then to fire it, it's exactly like the old dart tag stand fired. There's no priming, you just pull the trigger to fire. So as I pull the trigger, it'll be compressing the spring and then it'll release to shoot the dart. I'll show you the function of the Super Soaker part now. Filling up the blaster is very simple. You just pop the cap off here and just pour in the water. Then you just pop the cap back on. No screwing required, you just stick it on there. And then like most Nerf Super Soakers these days, you just push this out and pull it forward the fire. Like a lot of Super Soakers, if you turn it upside down, water does fall out the cap. Okay, on to the review of the DartFire now. So you've seen the function of the blaster. The Super Soaker works like most Super Soakers in Nerf these days, just like that. And then the dart blaster, it's just like the snap fire. You just pull the trigger and it fires it. The dart blaster part essentially is a hammer shot. It's got the same cylinder and everything, just without the hammer action. It doesn't get as good range. It's a bit below elite performance, but it's still pretty good for what it is. It's got storage on top for 5 darts, so you have 5 darts to load this up. It doesn't come with 10 darts though, it only comes with 5 to actually fit in the cylinder. And it comes with these really nice Super Soaker type darts, which I really like the look of. The colour scheme is very traditional Super Soaker these days, with funky colours. You've got a main blue body with green and white bits, and a purple trigger and dart barrel, which kind of look a bit odd. The handle is pretty uncomfortable. The thumb area makes it really uncomfortable for your thumb when pulling the trigger for the dart blaster. The reason it's uncomfortable is because the bottom of the thumb keeps hitting against the top of the Super Soaker part here. It's a really slim profile blaster. I'm actually surprised how much water this holds for it being such a really thin blaster. Here is it compared to the Tri-Strike crossbow. As you can see, the Tri-Strike's just a little bit longer, but that's just an estimate on length. The stock probably isn't meant to be used as a stock because when up against the shoulder it's very short. I prefer to have it like down at my waist. So overall, would I recommend the DartFire? If you're a Super Soaker fan, this is a really neat pickup for the collection. It's really unique to have both water and dart firing, and the performance for each are pretty good, so it will be pretty nice in a summer Super Soaker battle. But anyways guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.